Now there was one Audi based tuner that I came to see this year, and MTM wasn't one of them. But looking at the cars I got here, it might change my mind. It looks pretty awesome. So here we have the Audi S2, if I remember correctly. RS2, sorry, RS2, let's get it right. So we've got here the Audi RS2. This is part of MTM's classic range, so as far as I understand, that is a restoration, not a modification, but they will make some slight tweaks and changes based on the customer. Coming around to the tuning side, we have this, what I'm going to presume is a 2017 RS3. 2.5 litre turbocharged 5-cylinder. And looking at the side, 572. Yep, I think they're fairly certain that is an RS3 saloon with 572 brake horsepower. Wow, that's really touching up at Audi R8 standard from a saloon car. Not an RS6, not an RS4, the RS3, the smallest RS car, 572 horsepower. Wow. And then we'll come round to the final car here, the Audi RS5. Now this V6 is 532 on the side, so I'm going to go at 532 horsepower in an RS5. That's insane. Lovely looking cars. Need to do some more research on what MTM do. Now I've got my two Audis. Let's see what stuff they do for these cars. So a quick look at the MTM stand at the Geneva International Motor Show. Hopefully we might see some more from MTM in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.